doing? It's Julia. I'm working on a new sweatshirt design for my summer shop. This is a comfort colored sweatshirt, but it is a new style for them. It's the 1566L, which is a ladies cut. It's just a bit shorter. Hits right below the waistline. I'm doing an Americana design. I want it for my summer shop for the 250th celebration. Just picking out some reds and some cream colored scraps that I have. These strips are cut about an inch, anywhere from an inch to 2 inches, I would say. And I'm just going to piece them together. I'm alternating the red and the cream, and I'm going to do 7 different strips. So I have 4 reds picked out and 3 of the creams. And I'm just taking a 1/4 inch seam allowance here. And now to my iron, and I'm going to be pressing all the seams in one direction. And then I'm going to be flipping this over and pressing it again. And then doing some trimming and squaring it up. Now I'm just playing around. I decided I'm going to put this of a pocket, a denim pocket that I've cut off of a pair of jeans that I upcycled for the upper left-hand side. And then I thought, I'm going to do some looking and just to add a few more things to this. I do have this fabric that has different sayings on it and is patriotic. And so I'm just cutting some words out. I believe it says Land of the Free, then I'm just going to stick on the pocket. And then I'm going to dig in my lace and trims, and I found a cream colored trim that was quite wide, and I'm just going to add that to one of the little cream colored stripes just to get some texture. Then I also have this, actually a decorator trim in blue that I'm also going to just cut a little bit of it and add to it. Someone asked me how I come up with my designs or how I do that. And I basically, you just have to have a lot of stuff and be able to pull from a lot of stuff. And then it just kind of comes together. I'm not saying having a lot of stuff is a good thing all the time, but yeah. And have it somewhat organized and just know what you're kind of looking at. Now it's going to be back to my sewing machine, and I'm going to just get some of this stuff sewn. I'm using a blanket stitch for this, or you can also use a zigzag stitch just to get this patch on. It'd be really cute just to have a single white star too. Be another idea that you could add to this pocket. I think this would be a fun design if you had just a sweatshirt of your own that you wanted to dress up. I serged around that striped flag look, and I thought I was just going to use it as just a serged edge, but then I decided that I'm going to turn it under. So I'm pressing this serged edge under, and I'm going to then stitch the whole thing onto my sweatshirt. It's getting it nice and even, and I'll be putting some pins in it. And then it'll be back to my sewing machine for one more stitch around this whole thing. I hope you enjoyed this, everybody. Hope it gave you an idea. Hope you have a chance to create this week. Bye for now.